Microsoft 365 Table of Contents for Excel 12 videos presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Videos are narrated PowerPoint presentations. They were created especially for anyone who wishes to learn or refresh their skills using Microsoft Word, Publisher, or Excel. Videos are designed to be user-friendly and transcripts are available upon request. This video contains a table of contents for all of the Microsoft Excel 12 videos. This allows a user to know exactly what each video covers. Table of Contents, Excel Formatting, Part 1 of 12 parts, Autosave, Auto-Recover, Grid Structure, Increase Column Width, Clipboard Group, Copy, Cut, Paste, Format Painter, Font Group, Font Style, Size, and Color, Fill Color and Borders, Alignment Group, Number Group, Quick Analysis, Dates and Time. Table of Contents, Excel Formatting, Part 2 of 12 parts. Insert or delete column and rows, autofill, widen rows or columns, rename worksheet, move or copy a worksheet, change worksheet tab colors. Table of Contents, Excel Templates, Part 3 of 12 parts, Backstage Templates, Create Template, Invoice, Format Template, Invoice, Save Template, Invoice. Table of Contents, Excel Functions, Part 4 of 12 parts, Sample Function Symbols, Leading Zeros, Formatting Cells, Numbers, Sum Function, Insert Function, Function Arguments, Count Function, Average Function, Minimum Value Function, Maximum Value Function. Table of Contents, Basic Errors, Part 5 of 12 parts, Basic Errors in Formulas, Hashtag Name, Question Mark, Hashtag Reference Explanation Point, Hashtag Div/0, and Hashtag Null, Absolute References versus Relative References, Flash Fill. Table of Contents, Excel Insert Tab, Part 6 of 12 parts. Insert pictures to use as backgrounds, changing a worksheet into a table, inserting shapes into a table, creating a chart from a table, changing chart colors, chart elements, filter and sort, format chart to remain unhidden, comments and notes, add text box to worksheet. Table of Contents, Excel Insert Tab, Part 7 of 12 parts, Different Views, Normal View, Page Layout View, and Page Break Preview View, Eye-catching title and other information, header and footers, enter data into header or footer, word art, signature line, object, symbols. Table of Contents, Excel Page Layout, Part 8 of 12 parts, Cell Styles, Themes, Colors, Fonts and Effects, Margins, Orientation, Size, Breaks, Scale to Fit, Bring Forward, Send Backward, Selection Pane, Align, Group, Rotate. Table of Contents, Excel Review Tab, Part 9 of 12 parts, Spelling, Thesaurus, Workbook Statistics, Accessibility, Alternate Text, Protect a worksheet using a password, Unprotect a worksheet using a password, How to unprotect a worksheet when the password has been lost. Table of Contents, Excel Review Tab, Part 10 of 12 parts, Review Tab, Part 2, Protect a workbook using a password, Unprotect a workbook using a password, Unhide file extensions, Password lost, use a workaround method. Table of contents, Excel View tab, part 11 of 12 parts. Sheet view group. Workbook views, normal, page break preview, page layout, and custom views. Show group, navigation, grid lines, formula bar, and headings. Zoom group, zoom 100% and zoom to selection. Window group, new window, arrange all, freeze panes, split, hide, unhide, and switch windows. Table of contents, Excel Macros Part 12 of 12 parts. Customize ribbon, widening Excel option dialog box, checkmark Developer tab, creating a macro. Fruitland Park Library. Transcripts are available. Please contact gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.